Hi students and friends, welcome to the channel Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. I hope you all are fine and doing good in chemistry 5070 and 0620. If you have any queries or facing problem in any topic, do write in the comment box. In this lesson, I will begin the new topic which is about identification of ions. The learning outcomes for this lesson are describe, test to identify the anions, carbonate, CO3 minus 2 by reaction with dilute acid, and then testing for carbon dioxide gas, chloride, Cl negative, bromide, Br negative, and iodide, I negative by acidifying with dilute nitric acid and then adding aqueous silver nitrate. So in this video, I will talk about the test and results for the anions, carbonate, CO3 minus 2, chloride, Cl minus, bromide, Br minus, and iodide, I minus. The first anion is carbonate, CO3 2 minus. You can even write CO3 minus 2. In the sample solution, first we will add dilute acid like dilute hydrochloric acid. We will see effervescence or fizzing. These are of carbon dioxide gas. Then we'll pass this gas through lime water. Lime water turns milky. So let me write sample solution. Sample solution plus dilute hydrochloric acid. Write the observation. Fizzing. This carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas. Pass the gas through lime water. Pass the gas through lime water. This is the test. Result. Lime water turns milky. In the next slide, I will show you the end result as well as the reactions taking place here. So this is the end result of this test. You have passed the gas. This is the gas through lime water. This one is lime water. And here it's colorless. Let me write it as colorless. And here it's turning milky. Now I'm writing the reaction. For example, we have calcium carbonate. I'm writing the reaction between calcium carbonate. Sample contains calcium carbonate reacted with hydrochloric acid. What we will get? We will get calcium chloride. For your convenience, I am also balancing the equation. Equation is balanced. We are concerned with this test of this carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide gas is reacted with lime water. Lime water is calcium hydroxide, CaOH whole twice. Now what we are getting? We are getting calcium carbonate plus water. The equation is balanced. You see, this calcium carbonate is responsible for milkiness. As it is insoluble in water. Now identify the anions: chloride, Cl minus, bromide, Br minus, and iodide, I minus. For testing the presence of chloride, bromide, and iodide ions, we will add nitric acid first to the sample. We'll write sample solution plus nitric acid. Nitric acid is added to destroy any carbonate present. Nitric acid is added to destroy any carbonate present in the solution. Because this will then interfere with the test of these anions, silver nitrate solution is added then. Silver nitrate solution is added. If chloride ion is present, then it will give white precipitate like this. This one shows chloride ion, this one Cl negative. You see it's white precipitate, there's no color. If bromide ion is there, it should be creamy white precipitate. And if iodide ion is present, it should give yellow precipitate like this. This one is of iodide. Let me write their color. White PPT. Here you'll get creamy white. This one yellow PPT. Yellow PPT for iodide. Now I will show you the original colors of the precipitate obtained. This one is of chloride, Cl negative. You see white precipitate. This one is bromide, creamy white. Iodide, yellow. I will write it again. White PPT. Here you get creamy white. PPT. And here you are getting yellow PPT. Here's the work to do. Construct the chemical and ionic equations for the reactions between silver nitrate and sodium bromide, silver nitrate and sodium iodide. Thanks for watching. Please like, give comments and share my video. For more videos, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.